Cooking Tales.
Assalamu alaikum. Hey cookies, welcome back to Cooking Tales. Hope you all are fine out there. And I hope you all would have been bored with the sweet versions what I share with you. And today I'm here to share a spicy version, which is a starter recipe from a Chinese cuisine that is nothing but a dragon chicken, which is an all-time favorite for chicken and Chinese cuisine lovers especially. And these were the glimpses of preparation what I made to prepare for the recipe, which is very easy to prepare at home and enjoy. You can make it as a starter recipe for parties to impress your guests too. So here is that recipe. With no other delay, let's get into the video. So these are the veggies that I have chopped for the recipe, which you can see on the screen out there. So let's start. So for the spice levels and color, I have used dry chilies here. I have used two types of dry chilies. One is Guntur dry chilli and other is Kashmiri dry chilli. Guntur dry chilli gives the nice spice to the dish, and the Kashmiri dry chilli gives the nice color to our dish. I am not adding any added color to our recipe. So this alone gives a good color for the dish, and which is very awesome to taste too. So I'm gonna soak this dry chilies in hot water for 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna grind this into a fine paste. So now I'm gonna keep it aside. After 15 minutes, I have taken out the stem off from the Guntur chilies, and I have ground it to a fine paste. I have taken 500 grams of boneless chicken, which is cut into long stripes. You can cut into your desired pieces, but long stripes goes well with this recipe. Add it into a bowl. I have used turmeric to wash this chicken because it kills the bacteria which is present in it. Now let's start adding the ingredients to the chicken. Add 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of chili sauce, then add 2 teaspoons of the grind mixture. This mixture gives color to the chicken. If you want, you can add any food color, but I'm keeping it plain. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of white pepper powder, and mix. If you want, you can add even the black pepper powder too. Now add 3 tablespoons of cornflour. This gives crispiness to the chicken. Then add half cup of maida or all-purpose flour and mix. Add a glug of water and mix well. Add required amount of salt to the chicken and mix. Now your mixture is ready. Set it aside for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, heat a kadai and add oil to it. Once the oil is hot, start adding the chicken pieces at medium flame. Don't overcrowd the kadai. Cook the chicken at medium flame. Don't be stirring it often. Once the sizzling is down, take out the chicken from the kadai. Can you see? Without adding any food color, the color of the chicken is too good. Now start frying each batches in the same way. After frying all the chicken, with the leftover batter, add little bit of corn flour, that is 2 tablespoons, add a little bit of water and mix and keep it aside. Now again heat a kadai or a wok. Add 3 tablespoons of oil. I am using the same oil which I used for frying the chicken. Once the oil is hot, add the chopped ginger and garlic. When it changes its color, add 3 slit green chillies, 1 medium-sized onions thinly sliced, then saute well. Now add spring onion whites, once the onion slightly changes its color, add the half capsicum chopped, now make a well in the center and add 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. Soya sauce should not be added directly to the dish, it should be added in the oil then mixed well so that the raw smell of it goes. Now add 1 teaspoon of chili sauce, one teaspoon of tomato sauce, then mix well. Now add the remaining ground mixture to it. Stir fry it until the raw smell goes. At this stage, you can even add 1 teaspoon of cashew paste for more richness, but I did not add it, I kept it plain. If you wish for, you can add it. Once the oil starts separating from the mixture, add 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder and mix. Now add the spring onion greens and mix. Now add the cornflour mixture which we prepared earlier and saute well. Add 1/4 cup of water to it and mix. Cook this until this mixture thickens. Add the required amount of salt to this mixture and mix. Once the mixture becomes saucy, add the fried chicken to it and mix. Now your delicious dragon chicken is ready. Garnish it with the spring onions and coriander leaves and serve it hot. Your yummy and delicious dragon chicken is ready. Serve it hot. Cook this for your loved ones and surprise them. See how crispy and juicy it is. All the ingredients and the measurements are given in the description box below. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any suggestion, comment below. Thank you for watching. Love you.